Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox the die-cast model of Hummer, a truly US beast. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, here's the product, the die-cast scale model of Hummer H2 pickup version A&G cross country. This is a 1:43 die-cast scale model made of metal. This die-cast model comes in a blue color with white and dark blue decals, and the main highlight is the spare wheel. And look at the space here, it shows it's a true pickup SUV. This car comes with rubber tires which are off-road oriented. Just look at the heaviness. Also, the alloys are realistic. The main feature is it comes with a sunroof. Along with the realistic body, it has a well-detailed interior inside. Just look at the AC vent, steering, dashboard, and the seats. Wow! It even has a well-detailed bottom. Just look at the detailing. And also the step. If you like my video, please click on the like button. And share my video to at least your 10 friends. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please tell me in the comment box. This product comes with a pullback action feature. Now let's take this die-cast model of Hummer for a mini test drive. Subscribe my channel for more new videos. And click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.